Welcome to Market Focus. I'm Jessica Darnborough. Making headlines today, Mortgage Choice looks to enter the mortgage management space, and property commentators forecast subdued price growth for the next 10 years. But first, to our lead story. Brokers that want to diversify away from residential mortgages should look at the commercial space. There are a lot of business opportunities for brokers in the commercial market at the moment, so long as they don't take on projects that are overly difficult, Syntex's General Manager, Kathy DeMarcos, has said.
Look at clean, simple stuff. Mum and dad's businesses, they've got their existing, say, laundromat, it could be a hairdressing salon. It doesn't have to be anything major. But those type of clients are looking for security, and they don't need to go through that rigmarole with the banks. So that's the key, that's the market. Keep it simple, don't go for overcomplicated stuff, and you'll find that you'll actually reap the rewards because they will tend to have a home loan as well.
Mortgage Choice may soon move into the mortgage management space. The brokerage's chief executive, Michael Russell, said the company's white label product, Blue Gum, which was launched late last year, was currently accounting for more than 3% of the company's loan approvals. If the product can account for 10% of all approvals, Mr. Russell said the next logical step would be for the company to move into mortgage management. The Australian property market is expected to endure moderate price growth for the next 10 years. BIS Shrapnel's Robert Mellor has said.
These are not boom conditions, but I think people need to get used to over the next 5 to 10 years for residential property that good years are going to be when price growth is in the range of 5 or 10%. And, average years you might only get 2-3%.
And finally, sponsorships for the Australian Broking Awards have filled quickly, with all 8 partnerships now sold. With only 2 months to go before the event, industry stakeholders are being encouraged to book their table quickly to ensure they have a place at this year's prestigious event, according to Sterling Publishing's director, Alex Whitlock.
There are just 450 seats available on the lunch. So when you bear in mind that there will be a number of those will be taken up by the finalists across the award categories, there are a limited number of tables available to lenders and other stakeholders that want to be participants in this event. And one of the big benefits, I think, to those that aren't involved in sponsoring, this is going to be an excellent networking opportunity.
That's what's making news today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jessica Darnborough.